So, Mr. Vikrant, how is it coming to Hyderabad and what are you cooking today?
Hyderabad, coming to Hyderabad is damn fun. I used to study in Hyderabad actually, so I've lived there for around 3 years. Really love the city, and as you can see, I love coming back because this is my attempt at Halim, which is quite a bold thing to do when you're in the birthplace of Halim. But yeah, it's lovely to be back.
Okay, so it's Ramzan time. So, what are some tidbits of Halim that you want to tell to all the viewers who are watching this?
I mean, the most important thing I feel is the vegetarians feel left out for halim. So what we have done is a jackfruit halim, right? We smoke it so that it has a real meaty texture. As for the non-vegetarian halim, I mean, there's mutton, there's ghee, there's fried onions. What is not to love? I mean, I don't have any advice for the non-vegetarians. For the vegetarians, though, jackfruit is a great supplement. You can even try it with mushrooms. Any root vegetables that have a stringy texture would be lovely for a halim.
Okay. So, Vikrant, what do you think? Like this, every season there's some kind of USP in food, something new people want to learn. So, what you want to tell to viewers who actually love cooking, but this tip, they will really love it more. Which is that?
I think seasonality is definitely very very important, and in terms of festivities, it is very important for us to embrace each other's culture, which is why that is what we are doing here. Our eight-course menu takes you through different parts of the country, different cities, different regions have different reasons for why they eat the kind of food that they do. So I think exploring other cultures aside from yours is very very important. Be very very involved in everyone's festivity regardless of what you celebrate and what you don't, because there's truly some beautiful treasures in terms of at least food that each culture offers.
So, what is Masala Library?
So Masala Library is an 11-year-old restaurant, maybe 12. That is a modern Indian dining space. We do contemporary Indian food. Different chefs have different signature recipes at Masala Library. But since we have been running Masala Library, we focus exclusively on a contemporary take when it comes to Indian food. We do regional Indian food and we try to stay inspired from authentic dishes. However, in terms of plating and technique, we are very contemporary in the approach.
Great. And what about the Leela, the cuisines that you have here? Tell me one reason people should just drop in here and taste all the food.
I mean, Leela, the most interesting thing that I have ever witnessed in a hotel is that they have a chef studio. So this restaurant right here, Rain, the chef studio, does not have a cuisine of its own. They invite great chefs from all over the country, sometimes outside the country, to come and cook here. I think it is a beautiful concept for not only guests but also young chefs to learn from different people who come, because it's not sticking to one cuisine and they do something new every week. So we are here from the 25th to the 29th, and post us leaving, there's going to be a new cuisine, a new concept right here at Rain. So I think that is very very interesting, and I think everybody in the city needs to come and check out Leela immediately.
Lovely talking to you. Thank you so
Cheers.
much.
Lovely, lovely.